Overhead smash, mastering a key badminton technique. Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore an exciting aspect of badminton, the overhead smash. This powerful and strategic move can dramatically change the game. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced player, understanding the overhead smash is key to improving your game. The overhead smash is a badminton stroke used to hit the shuttlecock downwards with great force. It's often considered the most powerful shot in badminton, used to finish a point or to gain a strategic advantage. It's executed from a high point, with the player striking the shuttlecock over their head, hence the name. Why is this move so crucial? The overhead smash is not just about power, it's also about precision and timing. A well-executed smash can be difficult to defend, putting the opponent under pressure. It's a skill that combines strength, speed, and strategy, making it a vital part of any badminton player's arsenal. To perform an overhead smash: 1. Position yourself. Move quickly under the shuttlecock as it descends. 2. Prepare your racket. Raise your racket back in a preparation position. 3. The swing. Unleash the swing with a fast and full arm motion, hitting the shuttlecock at the highest point possible. 4. Follow through. Ensure a complete follow through with your racket to maximize power. When learning the overhead smash, be wary of poor footwork, not positioning yourself correctly under the shuttlecock, inadequate racket preparation, not pulling back the racket sufficiently, timing issues, hitting too early or too late. Improving your smash requires practice. Here are a few drills. Shadow badminton. Mimic the movements without a shuttlecock. High shuttle tosses. Have a partner toss shuttles high for you to smash. Target practice. Aim your smashes at specific areas on the court. The overhead smash is a dynamic and exciting part of badminton. With practice and proper technique, you can make it a formidable weapon in your game. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be smashing your way to victory. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful in your badminton journey.